Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about cleaning mattresses, and we want to make sure our mattresses have a good smell to them. We want to get them vacuumed off, get all those hair particles, skin particles, all that stuff that you shed. Want to get that off. So we got baking soda. We actually got the stuff that's got the carpet odor eliminator because it has a fresher scent to it, and we kind of like the smell of it, so it's kind of nice. And so what we're going to do is we vacuum the mattress off already as our first step. The second step is we're going to sprinkle this on. We're going to leave this for hours, so probably, you know, at least 6 to 8 hours. We'll probably just leave it overnight, but we're going to sprinkle this on. Then we're going to wait a period of time, and we're going to come back and we're going to vacuum it all off, and our mattress is going to smell good because this is going to absorb all the smells that you had in your mattress. And that's it. So let's get started. So one thing we didn't have to do for our mattress, but maybe you'll have to do for yours, is if you have a stain, a spill, whatever it may be, if you needed to clean that, use a 1/4 cup laundry detergent and 3/4 cup water. Mix that really well, and you can spray it on, and then you're going to want to dab it. You're going to want to blot it out. So that's what you want to do to kind of get if you have any stains or things like that that you want to get removed. So that's what you're going to want to do prior to actually doing the step of the baking soda and sprinkling that on and vacuuming it off. You're going to want to do that prior. Get as much of that stain out as you possibly can.
6 hours later.
Okay, so we let it sit for multiple hours. We let the baking soda absorb the smells and the things of the mattress. And now we are going to do the last step, and we're going to vacuum it all off. Okay, so that's it. The mattress is now refreshed. You'd want to do this probably 3 or 4 times a year, and to keep things nice and clean. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Baking soda is one of those things that just really takes the smells and absorbs those things. And so we use it on multiple things, and we'll show more videos. So subscribe now.